We are frontline workers and we need to be treated like frontline workers, and we also have to treat ourselves as frontline workers by protecting ourselves.
President of the National Council on Public Transportation, Godfrey Ferdinand, shares his sentiments on the way forward for the minibus sector following the announcement that a 2H route bus driver tested positive for COVID-19. The man at the helm of the NCOPT details the outcome of a series of high-level meetings.
We did look into strengthening our protocols, look into how we're going to do with a case if the worst case scenario happens. So we've outlined in how we'll deal with that if there are more cases on that particular route. We are also seeking to have dialogue.
According to sources, drivers have begun agitating for a subsidy given the economic downturn in the sector. The mandated 10-passenger COVID-19 protocol threshold has only compounded the drivers' woes. Ferdinand discloses that the NCOPT has been sent back to the drawing board in negotiations with the government over pandemic-related assistance.
There is a level of impatience from the operators in that we waited so long for our rebate, and now we're going to have to wait for our COVID payment. Having discussed that with the minister, we are guaranteed that we will get the COVID payment. With this present situation, that means we have to upgrade or review, I should say, the proposal that we've had with the government, because we really don't know how long that process will take.
In September, Ferdinand told Newsforce that health officials would monitor the sector to ensure compliance. Now, given the circumstances, he was asked if the NCOPT would advocate greater scrutiny at bus stands.
What I can say is that the new bill actually gave us, to a certain extent, what we wanted, and that is for the law enforcement officers to be able to do their work much easier. The present bill gives the right to charge an individual for not wearing the mask, and that wouldn't even require us doing any kind of policing. The police, that's their job, they're the law enforcement officers, they will be doing that, so that makes it easier.
Ferdinand also addressed the unsubstantiated rumors swirling around the latest positive case of COVID-19.
Are these individuals health experts? Because the council is really not into the rumors, the perceptions, and anything like that. What we are concerned about is the contact tracing, so that more individuals will not get contaminated or affected by this. So if he could give us the names of the persons that normally travels with him on a daily basis, that makes it easy. Persons he's been in contact with for the past 7 days, that makes it easy for the health officials. So that's where we are with this. We're not into the allegations and the perceptions and the opinions of individuals. We are here to help and to work with the health experts.
The president for the NCOPT has condemned the continued spread of misinformation. As for the COVID-19 package, Ferdinand assures minibus operators that the body will continue to work in their best interest. Solange Alfred, HTS Newsforce.